Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting sturdy cardboard and the correct lenses. Choose 42 mm focal length for a balance of focus and field of view. Mark phone tray dimensions using your phone as template. Leave 3 to 5 mm clearance for cases and heat. Once marked, score fold lines and cut the outer shape carefully with a sharp knife to keep edges straight. Make lens holes precisely. Misaligned lenses ruin focus, so measure twice and cut once. These steps set up optical alignment and structural integrity. Once the frame is cut, install lenses into their slots. Align centers with your phone screen's center and keep 1 to 2 mm offset for interpupillary distance so images merge correctly. Next, fold and glue the tray using strong adhesive, reinforce corners, and let cure under weight to avoid warp. Build a sliding phone platform so you can fine-tune distance from lenses. Closer gives wider field of view, farther improves focus. Make ventilation slots to reduce heat and add foam for comfort. You finish by inserting the phone and launching a VR calibration or test app. Check both eyes for sharpness and convergence. If images are off, slide the phone slightly or shift lens positions. Small lateral moves change interpupillary alignment, while tiny distance changes correct focus. Make sure straps are snug and light does not leak in at edges because stray light reduces contrast. If persistent blur occurs, add a 1 to 3 mm spacer behind the phone or reseat the lenses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.